DLSU to Ateneo? Ateneo? Maglalakad tayo ng Valentine's Day? Nga si Adrian. Ika-date ata, bro. Bro, ikaw na lang ka-date ko, bro. Can we walk 15 km na umulan, bro? Tara, book na lang tayo. Hindi mo na kami maglalakad, like, kuha mo na kayo sa amin guys, umulan tawag Valentine's Day. Oh, kasi miss mo na kasi, Adrian. Wala tayong Valentine's. Tara, tara. Annyeonghaseyo. Kuya, ate Ateneo.
Yeah.
Express? Car Express?
Yeah. Are you Korean?
Yes. From Korea.
What's your name, sir?
Park Bon.
Park Bonchi.
Park Bon. Hi. First
time here?
Using
Express.
Parang malinis. Oo nga, legit malinis dito. Pero, parang...
Tumarong.
Nagpa-prank po kami, kuya.
A few moments later.
We're here. It's good to be back in Ateneo. You guys remember nilakaran namin from DLSU to Ateneo back then. Ito yung video. Kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Looks like this is how we spend our Valentine's Day, no bro? That's true. Sa Town Lautes. Express? Kakasakay lang natin nun ah. Tingnan nga natin ano meron dun.
Then you can win prizes po. Depende po sa games.
Let's go! Grabe guys, ang daming prize oh. Ito bro, happy Valentine's Day with the hat ah. Hooked on love with Express talaga guys. Hello boss, so we just wanna ask how did you get here?
So for today, nag-book ako ng transportation to get here.
Have you tried Express na?
Not yet pa, but I'm very interested to try.
Next time try mo na if you're gonna come here again.
Okay, I'm gonna download the app.
So how did you get here?
Oh, actually naglalakad lang ako. Pero kayo iba yung walking nyo eh.
Have you tried Express na ba?
Ano ba yung express?
Actually, we rode that kasi a while ago.
Super smooth, linis, ang bilis lang.
So meron kayong motor,
Yeah, a lot of services.
Even electric vehicle, you can download the app. Alright guys, parang nalakaran na namin yung buong Ateneo. I think it's time to go back.
It was a fun date, bro. Alright guys, book na natin.
Grabe, may electric vehicle rin tonight. Meron pa isa dito. It's time to go home.